Welcome back. Today is the next day. And still cops are looking for me. There he is. What should I do to get rid of them? I am here from last day. Last night I couldn't sleep properly due to tension. And in this between I get to more bad news. Look at this. This is footage of my BMW garage. And this is the luxury garage. They are going to my house and looking for me. For now I have to leave this car here because they have seen these cars. So let's do the cold start. So my plan is to park these car here only, just below this floor to protect it from sunlight and rain. And then when it becomes dark, I slowly go out from here and go to my nearest garage and take a car and I hide in one because I can't stay here long. Cops can find me anytime. So I have to change the place. Here I will park my car under the roof to be safe and secure. When everything cools down, then I will take this from here. I don't know how long it will park here, but I don't have any option. And I have to always keep an eye that they get any clue or not. Okay, let's wait to become dark outside. So finally sun goes down. Let's execute our plan. Right now, I am looking for a cab by which I can go to the nearest garage. And I will take a car which nobody knows, because I don't want to come under their eye. Let's take a cab first. Finally got a car sharing. Let's go to the garage. The car is very slow. If cops come here to get me now, then I will get busted easily, taking too much time. This is the garage where I park 2 or 3 cars. We are taking the Supra MK5. Let's do the cold start. I never show you this garage because this is not so organized. Now we will go to my another house or garage, which you don't know about it. We will not use the main road due to cops doing patrolling. My house is a little bit far from here. I understand that the cops didn't come down to this house. I think they still don't have any clue about this house. My M2 is also parked here. We need to fuel up. We can't wait here for long. Now, we need to get to my house before the sun rises. And I know cops will get the location of my this house also. So maybe we need to change places after 2 to 3 days. Don't know how long we need to do this. or secret house. Not a secret, just no one knows about it. Here I used to park all my JDM. Little bit more backwards. That's good. Today, I will sleep a little bit better than last 2 days, because for the last 2 days I slept in car, which don't have any rooftops, so I can't sleep properly. Don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. But I want to shout out everything now. If cops find this place also, then again, I will go to the forest and stay there for the whole time. Just kidding. Subscribe, share, comment, like.